Another day, another tree cut. So I'm gonna go get some firewood for the house, and then I'm gonna cut some gonna get some firewood for the house, and then I'm gonna cut some trees down. Hopefully I won't make too much of a mess because it's only me today. My husband doesn't feel very well, so taking care of him, and then chickens and ducks and guinea fowls are all set for the day. Yeah, so not much going on, just more trees, trying to get to my spot up at the hill. So little by little we'll get there, but there's so many trees to cut, it's insane. All the way in the driveway. All the other ones on the driveway as well. That's a good size. That's a good size one for firewood. I like it. Woo! Let's take small steps, looks so funny right now. Whew, okay, my chainsaw died, so I'm gonna go fuel it up again. But I think we're doing like a good job today. We dropped a few of the big ones. We cleared all of this space over here. Yesterday we did part of this, so that's fun. I think I might need the bigger saw for this little boy over here. So for comparison, let me get close to it. Like, it's kind of like my size, like width-wise. So I think I'm gonna need a bigger saw, just because mine is like 16 inches or 18 inches, I don't know. But we do have bigger saws here, so yeah, maybe I'll go steal the bigger one. The 171 maybe. Yeah, I might go take that one, see if I can turn it on by myself. And then see if I can drop this one over here, because this one will be fun to drop. I like the thick ones. But yeah, so we're doing really good progress right now. So I'm gonna go fuel up my chainsaw one more time, and then we'll see how far we get, because I do need to clean the driveway just for safety purposes in case we do need to leave the property later on. Then we're not like stuck cleaning and then trying to leave. So just all about safety, you know. So let's go fuel that up, and then we'll continue doing some cutting. Yay! Oh, love chainsaws. Love them. Whew. Oh, my land. Okay. Let's go up there. So muddy outside today too. At least it's not raining again though. But yeah. My husband is gonna be so surprised whenever he sees all the progress. I was supposed to be doing like that way, but I kind of wanted to do down the driveway a little bit. I'm excited of widening the driveway, so that'll be fun. So, okay, we're at the carport. Let's fuel things up. Let's do this. Woo. Okay, we're all filled up, ready to go again. Drop a few more trees over here. I kind of like, it doesn't look that thick guy. But that's what I say about me, so who's wrong? Okay, let's get this. Woo. Walking through all those trees, so much work. Oh God, maybe that one behind me that's leaning right there. Okay. I have so far for the one tree. Okay, so then we're gonna come here, and then there's 5 more here, and then we have these little guys from the end of the tree. So, okay. this is one tree plus a few limbs from another tree for a couple trees, but it's mainly just the one tree, so that's crazy. Thanks so much. Okay, all of this is gonna be firewood, so we're gonna split it soon, but not today. I want to do a few more trees to cut and then go from there. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Right here. Look at that. My hand. My little troll hand. Ah! Here you go. Ah! That's awesome. Look at that. Right into the garden. I love it. Okay, let's cut this thing up. Ugh. Oh my God. I just cut, I think, the second biggest tree I've ever cut. So that was fun. So give me a little cute here. I was gonna do it with my chainsaw, like the 170 or the 270, but I was having a hard time limbing my stuff earlier, so, and like cutting my logs, so I think it's not sharp anymore, which is fine. I could just find the sharpener or get another chain for it. But I decided to go ahead and grab my husband's 271. So I did that and it went so well and so fast. It was like butter. It was crazy. It's a little bit heavy for me, but it's really nice. It just goes through stuff. I don't know. Newfound confidence here with it. But I just noticed that the chain part of the chainsaw is a little bit loose, so we're gonna try and figure out how to tighten it, because I've only done that once with my little chainsaw. So we're gonna, actually I was thinking just gonna ask my husband. I'm just gonna go inside and ask him. A lot easier. But yeah, so this is the 270, and oh, this is the 270, and you can see at the bottom there it's like hanging a little bit, like right there. It's hanging a little bit, so I don't know if it was like that whenever I started doing the tree, which is kind of dangerous, but yeah, so I'm gonna limb this because it's right in the middle of my driveway now, so we can't get out, so we need to finish that, and then it'll probably be the end of the day for tree cutting. But it looks so pretty, it looks so open. Well, if you knew how much wood there was there, like, you'd be very impressed. But we're soon gonna have a burn pile, so we got the permit for that, so we might as well do it sometime. because there is so much brush. There is just insane amounts of brush. But I am making a dent on the cutting of the trees. So hopefully in a few months we have enough cut that we can see where we want to put a new house. So that makes me very happy. And then we'll have the Build a House series where he can help me design the house. I want a barn though, so I have a few ideas for it already. And yeah, I just want something a lot bigger than we had now, because I was used to our house in the city, which was like twice what this house is, and we only really have like our living room / like dining room area, kitchen, bathrooms, and then our bedroom. We don't use the upstairs, is all storage. So, which I love my cabin, but I would like a bigger space too. Be and entertain and, you know, have our friends over and not be all crampy and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna go talk to my husband now, see if he can help me with this. He doesn't feel very well, so but he kind of has to, and if not, we won't be able to get out of the driveway. So I'll be right back. Also, like, how dirty am I right now? It's all from cutting wood. All from cutting wood. It's crazy. Okay, well, BRB. Good morning. I'm cutting trees again today. You know, road to new house. So road to new house and road to wider driveway. So we need to make the current driveway wider, and then we need to make the new path driveway wider as well, and then open up the space to find a spot for a new house. And so we're gonna go cut that. It was 5 o'clock yesterday or whatever, and it was nighttime, and I had to like rush to put the chickens away because I took too much time trying to cut the rest of my wood. So I got enough done that the truck could like go through this morning, which is good. But yeah, so that happened to me yesterday. I sharpened my chainsaws this morning, and we're gonna see how they work. So we'll go do that, and then we'll cut more trees, and then bring over the little logs so we can split it for wood for the fireplace. So this is what we did yesterday. That's one tree, and then I have another tree waiting for it to like bring up. I have another tree that I cut up yesterday I'm gonna bring up, and then so that'll be like 2 full carts of wood that I have to split, and then let's see how much we can get done today. I'm really excited. I'm seeing progress now, and it makes me so excited. I'm also gonna be using my chainsaw, like the 270, and then I'll use my husband's chainsaw as well, so the 271, and see how that goes. I used it yesterday and I loved it, but it's a little bit too heavy for me, so we'll see how much I can use it, and then go from there, I guess. My sweater is so dirty. Okay. And then my 2 chainsaws. Like a belt for my chainsaws. Is that a thing? Yeah, let's go. Oh, I think that chainsaw's still a little too big for me because my arms are tired now and I've only done a few cuts, but I'll be fine. Oh God, I'm also really warm and I feel like I'm gonna get sick, but we're gonna power through this and we'll be better for it. Oh, my hair is so sweaty. Oh my God. So yeah, look at that, so beautiful. That's all me. So let's keep on doing this. And one day I'll cut that big one there, like there. At some point, maybe. So that tree there produced that. Look how thick that is. All that. All the way down there. And then there's more right there. Little nubbies at the end. Because there's a few like thick branches that we can probably use for wood, for the firewood. So that would be awesome. But yeah, it's like my bubby saw. Hi, Red. Hello. Are you supervising? Hi. Oh, it's officially time for lunch. I think I'm gonna have some soup. Chicken and rice. Ooh. My legs hurt so much. My legs are just on fire all the time. Oh. No wonder my thighs are thick now. All this work I do. Craziness. But this is progress. This is so much progress over here. I love it. Oh, love chainsaws. Love them.